Hello again. So now on to turn this mess into a histogram. So like I did for other bar charts, I'm going to highlight everything that I've got there. And then at the top, I'm going to go to Insert. And I'm going to look for a bar chart that's just the most basic kind. If you want to do something fancier, you can. If you're a 3D sort of person, you could be 3D. I do prefer that it's vertical. That's kind of the tradition for histograms. All right, so now a couple of problems. First off, I've got too many bars, right? So I've got these red bars, which are the ones that I want. Those are telling me how many transactions are in each range. And then I've got these other bars, which are just giving me the bins, which is, the top limit of each of the ranges. So I'd like those to go away. One way to do that is to just right-click on those bars and delete. Sometimes that doesn't work. If you have an older version of Excel, if you're using a Mac or something like that, if you're using a Mac with an older version of Excel, et cetera, et cetera. So I just want to make sure that you could do this more than one way. What I would do is I would click on my chart and go at the top here to select data. This also happens if I were to right-click on the object. Select data would be an option. And if I select data, there'll be an option to remove one of the two, what are called series, so one of the two bars. I would want to remove the one that says bin, so I could highlight it and say remove. So then if I hit OK, I would come back here and I would just have the heights of the frequency bars. Okay, so now finally, one thing I'd like to do is squish all these guys together. Histogram usually has all the bars right on top of each other. The way to get to that is to look for quick layouts, which are going to be up at the top. Depending upon where you are within chart tools, you might be within format sometimes. I find that Mac's default there. You'd want to move to design. So if you see I'm clicking up on the top ribbon between the two. And then you're looking for this thing that says quick layout. It's white here. I've seen it as pale blue on other computers. So if I click on that, I want to look for the one that has the bars all smushed together. So there we go. And maybe let's give our chart a more instructive title. This is the, I guess, net sales histogram. And for axis title, I guess the vertical axis, these are transactions. Oh, I don't know why that apostrophe is there. Let's get rid of that. And then my horizontal axis, these are, I guess, dollars, right? Telling you how many dollars each transaction was. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you very much.